my name's Abbey. I work for Vanaways and I am the Service and Maintenance Manager. The Service and Maintenance package that we offer takes full advantage of discounted labour rates using main dealers and local approved garages up and down the country for more convenience. We have 16,000 approved garages on board for maximum convenience up and down the country to take full advantage of. We want the service and maintenance package to be as less hassle as we possibly can. So we give all of our customers a QR code that you can simply scan to make any bookings or queries with. Let's get down to the most important part of our service and maintenance package, what's included. The maintenance contract will cover items such as servicing in line with manufactured guidelines, replacement tyres due to fair wear and tear, replacement brake pads and discs, replacement bulbs and wiper blades, along with AdBlue top-up fluids at point of service will be included in this package. Also, if your vehicle is required for a replacement of fuel, oil, air or spark plugs, this will be replaced at point of service. We understand time is money when it comes to getting your vehicle booked in at a dealership, whether that be for servicing or for a repair. We do offer a mobile mechanic subject to availability. We use reputable breakdown companies such as AA or RAC, and they are on hand 24 hours of the day, and we also have a 24-hour helpline. If for any reason the vehicle is not covered by manufacturer's warranty, if there's a defect, or for example it's not classed as a wear and tear and not included in our package, then our care team will contact you directly to make sure that there's no work carried out before your approval. Let's talk about the savings our contracts offer. Our maintenance package is price protected for the full duration of the contract. So if the price of labour, parts, oil increase within the next 2, 3, 4 years, you are still protected for today's price. Main dealer costs can be anywhere between 150 and 170 per hour plus VAT. Ours are fixed between £60 and £70 plus VAT. Why would you want to pay full retail costs when you can lock yourself in for today's price for the next 3 years at a cheaper labour rate? If this is something of interest to yourself or to your company, please get in contact and we can give you a free, no obligation quote. Please give me a call on 0117 370 6895. If not, my email address is abby.heavens@vanaways.co.uk.